Actually, just see it takes to the very top. So that gives me an indication that you've got a bottom and then a top and then another bottom.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Today we are looking at the gold chart. I like to look at the long-term, short-term, and medium-term view on the chart. Once I have a look at that, then we can draw some lines and see what levels we can find. So here's a long-term chart of gold. As you can see, it's gone up by quite a fair bit. So let's see what supports and channels we can find to see where it could potentially be heading. So I normally start by just drawing a line just to see where there's some sort of support. And then I'll try and find a resistance. See if there's any resistance on this line, on this chart. As you can see, I've got sort of a top area. Just adjust it. I'm happy with that. Okay. Just the lower part here. As you can see, it looks like there's a squeeze before the breakout. There's a squeeze. Let's zoom in a little bit. There you go. So that's the squeeze, and then the breakout. That went over 5,000 before it came back in. Alright, let's see what else we can find. So I like to put another line at the bottom of the channel, on the base of the channel, just to see if we can find another area of support, resistance. If you can see where I've drawn this line, the top section, you can see this bit of support or resistance towards the top. And as I zoom in, you can see where it touches the top part of the line. Then it breaks over it, comes back in, and it hits the top line, becoming the resistant support, which is that big red line. So let's go on to a medium view of this chart. As you can see, the lines I've put in still exist. There will be slight adjustments, but for this purpose, I need to adjust it. Let me see what I can get. As I zoom in, I'll get a bit close on it. So I'm going to do a channel here, because I can see the channel potentially. Just see it takes to the very top. So that gives me an indication that you've got a bottom and then a top and then another bottom. So it's recently just come off the bottom. And I'd like to put another line just to see where in the middle of the channel, where you've got quite a few support. You can see it's hit these lines a few times. It keeps bouncing until it eventually broke it. But again, I'm going to put another line to where he broke it, because it now will become a resistance. And for gold to recover, it needs to break this resistant now. So let's zoom in, let's get a bit closer. So a shorter time frame, I like to use the 10 minutes time frame on this one, just to have a closer look, just to see if there's anything I'm missing, anything I can see in a very short term that could indicate potentially where this particular market could be heading. For me, it's still at the bottom, it's bottom of the channel. So it's got, I believe it's got a potential opportunity to run up. But again, it's probability, who knows. All I can do is draw some lines and just see where it heads from there. So I can see there's a bottom just in the lower part of the channel. This line now gives me a bit of resistance and supports. I can see there's a triangle forming. It's just squeezing in. So let's see. I'll go into the 1 hour. Let me see if I can see the same. Yeah, it looks very, very similar. So if I get that line from the bottom, bring it in, again, you can see it's starting to squeeze in. So there's a wedge pattern forming there. Which way it's going to break, who knows? We just have to keep watching and keep seeing. It could break below that wedge, or it could break above it. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what happens. Quick recap of the daily view. Now on to the long-term monthly view again. Let's see what we can add to the chart and see whether there's any of lines or any other support, just to give us a better view and picture of what's going on over the longer term. It's got a firm, quite strong support. You've got X, which could indicate that you've got a bit of support. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we've got a top line, which is your resistance. So just over 5,000 in gold. Okay, so that would pretty much conclude the charting of gold for today. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you'd like to see more, please like, subscribe and follow us. Don't forget to share and leave your comments below. And see you soon.